Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Dio again with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to edit images like this on Lightroom. So the first thing you're going to be doing is tapping on the edit button, um, and again you can replicate this on your PC or your iPad. Then you tap on the auto option. It gives you like a rough sketch of what the AI or incorporated AI will give you options on how to edit. If it's not convenient with you and if it doesn't give you what you want, you can still adjust as you please. So I'm presently adjusting the um, white. I'm adjusting the white. I'm adjusting the shadows. I'm adjusting the highlights. Just look at the numbers I'm selecting. So one thing I usually do is I make sure my images have contrast, and again the white of the image is reduced at least to pop up the original color of the image. So I've done a lot of in-depth tutorials regarding to basic adjustments, so you can go to my previous video to check them out. So if you are struggling with color as well, I've done a color tutorial as well. So I'm going to be adjusting the saturation just in case you want to follow along. The link to this image is in the description section. So I'm reducing the saturation of the orange. I'm reducing the reds. Since the lady is a dark skin model, or let's say dark chocolate skin model, I would like to adjust and bring out the I would like to reduce the reds and the yellow and all, and bring out the dark skin tone. So I'm adjusting the green, and I'm also adjusting the blues, just if there is any blues. But from the looking of things, there are no blues. The only thing, the colors present in the background is the green. So I'm going to be adjusting the green to going to be making it to pop up well. Then adjusting the purple. There's no purple present in the image, so there's no need of adjusting the purple. So all the basic colors we need to adjust here is just the yellow, the orange, the green, and I think the cyan, so for the sky. So yes, I am adjusting the luminance of the green just to like make sure the background doesn't overshadow the model. So I would like the model to pop up more than the background, so I'll also be adjusting the saturation of the greens. I'm going to be reducing the intensity, but before then I'm going to be reducing the yellow so that the model won't look too yellowish or too reddish. So I'm reducing the saturation of the yellow and the orange. So after reducing it to probably 20 minus 20, you can choose to reduce more than that. Then you can adjust the hue towards the red side so that the skin won't be portraying a greenish color. Then we are going to be checking before and after. As you can see, it's looking actually nice. It's looking pretty nice. So the next thing we are going to be doing is the color grading after the color correction. Then we are going to be tapping on the color wheel. Then you adjust the image, adjust it. Then you start with the shadows. You can make sure you have a reference by the side, the reference of what you want to replicate. So for me, I already have an idea of what I want to achieve in my head, so I just tilt the colors. I just play around with the colors to achieve what I want. So make sure you have something you want to achieve in your head before proceeding with the color grading. So I want something something warm and nice, something that will match the skin of the model as well. So I am adjusting it to see what fits her skin. So since I'm applying a yellowish color for the shadows, I might as well apply a yellowish or orangey color for the mid-tone, so that it will blend together. So I want the color range to be towards the same, to have harmony. I want the colors to have harmony. That's why having two similar colors in the same I'm having similar colors for the mid-tone and the shadows. So for the highlights, since highlights is mostly the brightest part of the photo and is mostly influenced by the sky, I might as well add a little bit of cool colors to it, or something that will blend with the sky color. So I think we should just adjust it towards the blue side or towards the cyan side. Then you can as well adjust your luminosity and the rest. Just do you. You can slow down the video if you think I am fast. So as you can see, cooler colors are actually nice as well. So it really depends on what you want. If you use cooler colors for the mid-tone, it's actually going to be nice as well. If you use warmer color for the mid-tone, it's going to blend well with the shadows. So it really depends on what you want to achieve. So I'm just playing around to see what works for me. So since I tilted the color for the highlights towards the bluish and the cyanish side, I'm also going to be tilting the mid-tone towards the blue color as well, so that I'll have harmony. Then probably leave the shadows towards the red, so as to have that rich chocolate color. So as you can see, I think I'm done. But you can add your sharpening. You can go to the details and add the amount of clarity, the amount of sharpening. You can add texture, you can add vignettes, you can add grains to your image. It really depends on what you want actually, but I just want to be adding the clarity a bit, then the sharpening a bit, just a little bit. Then I'm going to be masking the tone. I'm going to also be reducing the noise so as to make the image clear. I'm also going to be reducing the optics, the chromatic aberration, and also enable lens correction. It improves my image and makes my image look high quality and nice. Then I'm going to be tabbing on the mask, and also I'm going to be tabbing on the brush. Then mask the face. I want to adjust the face to have a more black skin tone. So because I feel like it's tilting towards a lighter skin tone, so I want to really reduce the yellowish color on the face so as to have a chocolate skin tone. So after tabbing on the face, this is just like a substitute for your color adjustments. You can also use your masking tool to adjust color on a particular area. Instead of generally adjusting colors, you can actually just mask it, then tab on the color and adjust whatever thing you want to adjust. So I want to tilt my temperature towards the cooler area so as to bring out the rich melanin skin tone. Then I'm going to be reducing the saturation because I feel like the yellow is popping. It still was popping out on the face. Then I think I'm pretty much done with the adjustment. Before and after, you can see it's looking nice already. So yeah, I think we are done. But you can adjust whatever area you want to adjust if you feel like it doesn't look nice, or it's not you are not contented with the area, you can feel free to adjust. So you can check your before and after so as to see the difference between the previous edit and the initial edit and the present edit. So yeah, I think I'm still going to be adjusting the background, because I don't want the background to pop out more than the um I don't want the background to pop out more than the subject. So I'm going to my color adjustments and go to my greens and reduce the saturation of the greens. So as you can see, I've reduced the saturation of the green, making it less colorful, so at least it will give room to the I'm also going to be reducing the luminance, so that it will give room to um, the the model, the subjects, to stand out. Then yeah, and again, the more saturated your background is, the more warm it becomes. And this particular image is more like a morning shot, so it's more like a morning shot, so it requires you to tilt towards the hue, towards the blue, or towards the cooler colors, not the warmer colors. So I'm also adjusting my yellows and my brown, my orange. My yellows are going to be reduced as well, so as to have a cool color, so as to have a cool temperature. Yes, as you can see, it's looking pretty much good before and after. So you can see the difference between editing images, warmer images and cooler images. As you can see, this is what I wanted to actually achieve on this image. So if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section, and if you are a new subscriber, welcome to this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.